Good morning! This is day 3. Day 3 ba? Tama, day 3.
We're going to Naked Island, Guyam, and Daku. Going to burn our skin today.
Ito, so lumimili naman kami ngayon ng papaluto namin for lunch later sa Daku Island. Here in Naked Island, first stop of the day. Hello, Beshies!
Oh, first time here.
Naked Island! May tama na yung isang word ko Island! Hello! We're back here in Siargao. And this time with Kevin and yung kanyang mga kapatid. So wala pa rin bayad dito sa Naked Island. This is still free. And you know what? Nakakuha kami. It's a private rental boat worth 1,500 pesos only. May nakilala kasi kami, they're charging us 1,200 pesos each. It's a travel package. Tapos, it includes yung food and everything. Pero I don't think na if you're gonna do it DIY, hindi ka naman naabot ng 1,200 pesos or even 1,000 pesos. So yun, nakahanap kami ng marirentahang bangka. It's worth 1,500 pesos and then nag-market lang kami, bumili lang kami ng mga ipapaluto namin sa Daku Island. So here! Makain ka ka?
Texture niya parang cheese.
Masarap yan, ihaw, steam, calamaris, adobo.
Sarap.
Pwede rin.
Sarap?
Grabe pa siyang paros.
Parang
Sarap.
Maalat na.
How was it? How does it taste?
Sarap ba niya?
Dinedevelop pa siya. Hirap umahon kapag ganito kaganda yung tubig. Sa Daku Island. So we arrived here 11, actually mga 11:45, 11:50. And then, meron silang cottage rental, 200 pesos. Tapos paluto kami, kikiluhin nila yung lahat ng ipapaluto nyo. So yung pinaano namin is 200 pesos.
Gamay ko na. Ano naman na ito?
Naluto nila as in, di ba?
Busing ka na ba to?
Ay, swim ba kami dito? Ang ganda ng tubig dito, tingnan niyo. Yan.
Sama showbiz.
Ang ganda ng weather. Thank God for the weather.
Ba tayo pwedeng
Kev, Kev! So, ito yung charges namin sa Daku. Oo nga. You have to say bye-bye to the Daku Island. Dito sa Guyam Island, there's 30 pesos na entrance fee. Hey, bye, Guyam! What a great view! Actually, ngayon na lang ulit kami makakapagpalipad ng drone after a while. Nakuhanan namin yung gusto naming shot ni Kevin, yung view ng Siargao with the palm trees and all. So nakuhanan namin siya. We were favored with the great weather today, sunny and bright. Thank God it's Monday. Ano, biyahe na?
Tara!
Ay, picture ba?
Yarn. Well, that's after like 15-minute walk to Kermit. Okay, this is Kermit. Rapidos.